recording.
It's a half flaps.
Half flap. Nice. Yeah. I got it. You got one wheel. Okay. Okay. I got the wheel. Nope. It's just this. That's all.
No, I'm saying the screws on it.
I mean, yeah. That's the yeah.
Oh.
I thought it was on. The flap looks like it's working good. How's the archer up there? Is it helping you with the wind?
It's helping it, but it's still, you know, you gotta watch out. If you're turning, it's gonna drop. It's not gonna help you from the wind, you know, making the lift.
Okay.
You know, so if you're hopping or whatever, whichever wind's gonna blow you or whatever.
Yeah.
If you're doing something, if the wind's blowing that way, do it over there. Because by the time you finish, you go over there. So right now we don't feel like this is blocking it.
Yeah. Okay, you gonna go up again? You gonna try to flap again? Or nah?
Nah, I gotta adjust the flap.
Okay, you got everything moving? Okay, all right. Everything's up? Your switches and everything? Okay. All right. Let me know when you're ready. Ready? That must be more stable than my plane. It's bigger. And plus you got the whatever. Well, it's on and off. Maybe that's how I got away with that hovering more steady over there. They said it's supposed to get more windy later on, they're talking about. Yeah, 10, something, yeah, gusting to 10, yeah. Well, these things are holding up on the abuse. There you go. Well, keeping an eye on it there. Oh. So I see which way it falls. There we go. Oy. Oy. Yeah. Yeah. Unless you want to go high up and do it a little bit. Oy. Oh shit. Oh my god. It's holding it though, it's just pushing you backwards. I don't know if you want to push that hover button to see, the hover switch, see what it does. Nah. It might stay stuck that way. Yeah. There you go. Knife edge hover, a little bit there almost. Okay. Oh, hey. Ooh, that was a lot of close calls. Shit. Shit. Good. Oh. Oh shit. Whoa. Yeah, try that lower a little bit, man. But you started from down there and maybe work your way up. Yeah. Well, they're getting the F out of here. See?
Falcon wants to get it because the bird. You seen it?
Yeah.
That's what.
Oh shit. It's a big. What's that a falcon or something?
Yeah, it's a falcon.
Oh
it's
shit. Oh my god. Look at that shit.
That's why the other birds are flying around. They see the falcon.
Oh god. Well, it fucked off. It's all the way over there by the buildings now.
Trying to find the. That's where all those birds are flying.
Yeah. Yeah, that was close. Shit. Somebody be like, leave that falcon alone. That falcon started it. It's over there chasing you.
No, it's chasing all those pigeons.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Then he realized, nah, that's not a pigeon. Pigeon don't have propeller like that. No. That would have been the, you see, that's it. Your feathers come down. Yeah. Try to touch that tailwind. Nope. If I know if I touch it, it's gonna stay on the floor. That's it.
Too breezy for that.
Yeah.
Still recording. You're recording, right?
Yeah, recording. I'll do the editing. So take most of the morning to do it, but I'll do it. Let me see here. Let me just get the meter here. I have the meter. Oh, there it is. See how the batteries are looking. Okay, that's good. That's great. Yeah, that's perfect. Because I had it, I dropped it down, it was 4 minutes, I put 3. So 3 is perfect, I guess. So that's it. The next one's going to be the 6. So you want to check yours or not?
My batteries are here.
These are the ones I used. Used? Okay. See how they look?
Should be good.
Yeah, because you want
the Chinese baby.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait a minute, you barely...
No, because one of them I barely used. That's
Yeah.
the first one. Try the other one.
Maybe, I see. Barely used that one.
The one I was trying the flaps on?
Maybe, I guess it was.
Yeah.
This one you used?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That one.
Yeah. Oh, well, let's keep it there, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you gonna go with yours or what?
Yeah.
All right, cool. What time? All right, cool. Okay. Whew. Both Radio Masters. I say he's got the more new fancy one. I got the one from 2020.
Same thing, it's just touchscreen, that's it.
Yeah, he got touch screen, carbon fiber, shell. That's it. M4 gimbals. So far, still going strong.
They fall apart.
Yeah, but mine fell apart. The ones I had. Sound like the hedgehog in there as well. That's it. Yeah, throttle warning. Switch warning. All right. All right, skip it. Oh.
Stabilizer.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. You got the picture from last week on there.
What?
The picture or whatever from last week.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Well, there you go. Yeah. Okay, I guess we gotta go more this way, I guess. Okay. Here I go. Okay, watch out. Want me to bring down your gain a little bit or no? Okay. Yeah. Putting that archer to the test. There you go. Yeah. But yeah, I know you use the aileron. You don't use rudder to turn or nah?
I use rudder, but she drops.
Oh, she does. Okay, yeah.
See if I turn it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you better use the aileron then. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Is that a nest over here or something? I don't know what. Never see that bird here before. Okay. There we go. Yeah.
You see the screw coming out through here.
Yeah.
It's coming out, see it?
Yeah.
It's alright.
Well, I guess you gotta put glue or put another bolt to this.
I might do what I did to yours. I want you to put a stick straight through.
Yeah. Maybe that's a better idea, yeah. Ready. Unplug it. Okay, unplug.
And just having fun, still tilling the testing.
Yeah, but how you like it in the winds with the archer?
Yeah, it's good.
Good?
Just mixing on it.
Well, mixing because you were working on flaps, right? Take off
flap
flaps?
and elevator mixing, yeah.
All right. Thank you all for watching.